Nothing like the clean air in my car. Here we go. Oh. 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 Why does it smell like mold? Please. Oh, please stop. Oh, holy shit. So it's been a year since you purchased your Cybertruck and it smells like cheese on the inside or mold, and that is unacceptable. So we're gonna change the air cabin filter with this little kit that I got off Amazon here. It's super easy. You don't need to take it into service. You can buy the filter on Tesla's website. So here's the filter. Oh shit. Now we can start snapping off the panel, and it's so easy. You can literally do it in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Okay, that's the filter. I'm gonna set it aside for a quick second while I use this awesome kit. If you use the affiliate link in my bio, it actually helps out the channel, so please do that. Thank you so much. And I'm pretty sure this is the only tool I'm gonna need out of this whole kit, but you can use the other parts for different auto jobs. So let's just take care of the air cabin filter. Holy shit, I really hope I didn't snap any of these clips, because that's gonna suck. You can just set this down anywhere. It's a piece of plastic. Just try not to scratch it. Okay, so this is what you're seeing next. It has little pull tabs, so you're just gonna wanna get these pull tabs undone and pull out the filter. I actually didn't know how to pull on these tabs. I thought I might break them because it can be really chintzy, but apparently you just pull down. Oh my God, I think I just broke it. Oh my God, I just broke the tap. Oh my God. Bro, I'm so confused because I'm seeing this online and the guy just like pulled these down, but I literally I can't even make this up. I just broke this piece off of the tab. Oh my God, I can't even believe that. This thing is so easy to break. I barely put any pressure on this. That you can use this same tool to go in here and undo these clips by pushing in between the pull tab. I guess it's not a pull tab, but this thing that I was yanking on that actually just broke. Man, this is so confusing. Okay, I've literally broken the second one of these trying to undo I mean, how easy it is to break these clips. This is ridiculous. Oh my God. Okay, holy crap. I wonder, no, this is the cover. I'm gonna need this piece and now the clips are broken. That's insane. All right, well, here's the air cabin filter. It actually doesn't look that incredibly dirty, but you know, it was about time. We're almost at like 15,000 miles here, so it's pretty much time that we need to replace this. So let's see. This is the new one I got from Tesla. Oh, airflow. This side up, I would say. This is the filter that I got from them. Here are the two clips that are now broken on mine, and the third one's right there. So this is the one clip that's left, and the other two are just broken, so let's just snap it back in. Be mindful of these little latches on the bottom, because those will go in, ideally. Cool. So, oh, fuck. Man, I keep breaking stuff. All right, yeah, it only took me 5 minutes to break the crap out of my car. Look, at least we got one clip left. I don't know if this is gonna be a problem when driving, if this is gonna come off or anything. I doubt it, because this was so hard to get off already for no reason. Now we just gotta put this back. Let's hope that I don't break any of these clips, because everything is made with clips apparently. Wow, you'd think I'd be a little bit more scared to be rough with this truck now, but wow, it's really that easy to break a truck, I guess. Look at that, good as new. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.